What's up, guys? Welcome to Spyder Auto. Right now I'll show you how to switch out these old OEM tail lights with new Spyder tail lights, and it'll fit from 2007 to 2013. So let's get started and pop the tailgate open. Okay, now with your Phillips screwdriver, you can remove these two screws. And you can grab it by the bottom firmly and just pop it off. And you have these three sockets. Go ahead and unplug all of them. So we're going to unplug the bulb for the brake light and signal light. We're going to keep the reverse light, and we are going to unplug the bottom parking light. Now we can install our Spyder tail light with the red and clear lens, and on the back of the housing comes with this circle piece that you connect to the bottom parking light socket, and you just want to attach it to the socket connector because we're not going to be using that. And now you can connect your brake light and your signal light socket. Just connect it to the housing. Get your reverse light bulb and connect it to the housing. Seat your tail light in place. Put your Phillips screws back in. Now do the same to the other side. Okay, so after you did the same process to the other side, let's go close the tailgate and test out the functions.